So whether it's Baba, Billy, PDD, Neo, Lee, any of these, the only one really that I saw, Pete, that wasn't being impacted, Boyd, BYD. They were managing a positive session, but everybody else was just getting clocked. And if the stocks that make up the indexes are going down, those indexes have to go down. So, of course, the KWEB shares and ETFs tied to KWEB, as well as FXI, we were feasting on the way up. Well, this is not a feast day for anybody but the bears in any of those Chinese equities or ETFs. It's just going down, Pete.
Yeah, yep. And the People's Bank of China, John, and the money, the stimulus that they tried to throw in there, was it enough? I'm going to give you an answer right now. No, 70 billion was not enough. And the purchase of Chinese equities and all the rest of it, it worked for a little bit. And now we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. That being said, it's still interesting, though, as you look into the options world, unusual options world, we still see some buyers of those big ETFs that are coming out of China. And we are seeing that. Now they're going out in time for the most part, but there certainly is still that bullish side. So is more stimulus coming? I would think that maybe somebody thinks that they know that there is, because this 70 billion wasn't going to cut it. It hasn't cut it. It gave it a nice move, but then all of a sudden we're retracting back just a little bit. So look for some more stimulus coming in the future from China, I would say, John.
Yep. And that's why people were upset today. China did everything they said they were going to do, but the feeling was that they were going to announce an even bigger new program, which, as Pete said, they did not do. So volatility for the FXI, it's about 46 to 50 out there in November, Pete. So that's telling you an awful lot, folks, about how much they think things could be moving. I mean, that's close to 3% moves on a daily basis. Today, it made a 9% move. So we'll see what happens tomorrow.